Hey guys, Uncle Makeshift here. So you just ordered that badass lightsaber that you saw on the store. It came in and the handle doesn't look like it's got that cool leather wrap on it yet. Well, guess what? That's because you got to do it yourself, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Stay tuned. All right, guys. We're going to be wrapping a hilt today. You can see that little bit of glue that's right there. This was the color that was originally on this hilt for the wrap, and I wasn't really a big fan of it. One of my other sabers came with this color hilt, and I actually like this color a lot better. So I'm going to show you guys how to wrap a hilt, okay? First thing we're going to do is I've got myself a rag here, and I've got my part, and I've got a little bit of metal cleaner, brake parts cleaner, anything that's not going to leave a residue. You can use isopropyl alcohol, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this surface off really good. Now that should also take that old adhesive off. All you're going to have to do is probably rub that a little bit. All right. And we want to keep our fingerprints off of this if we can, because that grease is going to kind of mess up this next step. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let that air dry for a minute. And while I let it air dry, what I'm going to be doing here, folks, is I'm going to be spraying that whole hilt with some multi-purpose contact adhesive. All right. I'm going to let it sit and air out for a little bit. Then I'm going to wrap the hilt. So give me 1 second here, folks. All right, so obviously we are going to want to glove up at this point. I let this dry for a little bit. I'm going to take my adhesive and I'm going to just go ahead and... Now this will make the wrap a little more permanent. Now the nice part about this stuff is it will stay tacky for a little bit. So we're just going to let that sit and air dry for a little bit and let it get tacky before we start wrapping anything. We'll be right back. All right, now that's been sitting for a little bit. It's tacky. They actually provide a little starting point adhesive right here. So you're going to pull this off. And I want to start this at the top and work my way down. So this is the hole for the CoverTech mount. So this is the top of my hilt. I'm going to start this here. And I'm going to go all the way around the hilt once. And I'm going to try and stay on that top edge. Once I get all the way around, that's when I'm going to start my angle down. So I'm going to start to angle down. And I don't want to do a lot, but what I want to do is I want to hold it tight with my thumb. All right? Because what I'm going to try and do here is I'm going to try and not get it to stick onto itself too badly. But what I'm trying to do is I want to get about a halfway point, maybe a little less than halfway point, so that I stay as uniform as I can as I go down. All right. And then I'm also going to mark where this CoverTech hole is. There's a really good reason I'm going to do that is because I'm going to want to put a hole in this wrap where that CoverTech clip goes. Now, we're at the end here, all right? But I want to do something real quick because this is just going to wrap around one more time. And I'm going to take a little bit more of my adhesive and I'm just going to hit the back side of it right there. Now, guys, again, I want this to dry for a little bit before I actually put it in place. And there you have it, guys. That is the completed hilt on the saber. Hey, guys, thanks for checking out the channel today. If you want to see this lightsaber and more like it, please Make sure you're subscribed, share this out, and let's grow this channel.